What's up, crypto legends? The price of Bitcoin getting an epic drop here. Now, we're going to talk about the highest probability setups today, but I want to talk about what we mentioned on yesterday's live stream. We were talking about those highs to be claimed and possibly form a double top. This is exactly what has happened right over here. This was the price action mentioned from yesterday's stream. And yes, I did manage to catch that double top mentioned from yesterday's live stream. We create the plans and we trade those plans, banking here a really nice $400 profit in a matter of a few hours. Now, if you are interested in trading, you got the best deals down below. Bybit is my #1 crypto trading platform. If you cannot trade on Bybit, you do have Bluffing and 𝗬𝗫, which are no KYC, and you got the greatest bonuses down below. Just with an email and a password, you can start trading in a matter of minutes. So this double top, it has happened. Now, we got that corrective move today, a little bit more aggressive than I expected. But overall, from yesterday's live stream, we did get that double top right there. Just come up here, grab that high above $63,250, and then look for that corrective move. The target zone was coming down to sweep up these lows, and we did get a really aggressive drop. So what is the plan today, right? Let's go straight into the meat and potatoes. What do we need to see next? What I do see here, I'm really not that interested in short positions on this bounce. The main reason why, because I do still see this quite corrective and this quite impulsive. So I'm very much aware of the price having a V-shaped recovery and finally coming up to those highs where we do have that huge amount of liquidity that was not hit just by $100, guys. Now, liquidity doesn't mean anything. A lot of people expecting that sweep of liquidity, just $100 to $200 above us. We missed that liquidity and dropped over $1,500 in the last 24 hours. So let's analyze the situation. I'm very much aware of a V-shaped recovery. I'm aware of the price dropping to lower levels. So what do I need to see here for my next trading plan? Well, I'm going to keep it simple, guys. We start consolidating here in the next coming hours. We move to the upside. I'm aware of a V-shaped recovery. If we do come and break the lower high resistance trend line, we could be forming a local bump and run scenario. If we do get above that lower high resistance trend line and we start getting above the value area low from the consolidation that was created yesterday of this range, it's going to be looking very bullish. We'll be looking for that acceptance. If we do get above that zone over here, this is going to be bullish for me. I do see that massive recovery and finally claiming those highs and that massive liquidity above $63,500. So I will be looking for some day trade scalp long positions as soon as we see that sign of strength. Get above the value area low of this trading zone and break the lower high resistance trend line. Longing right now is a little bit too aggressive with this falling knife. So there's another trading plan that I'm looking at. Come back down in the next coming hours to claim this low over here. And if we do claim that low and get the recovery above the low, I do see this also as a possible double bottom scenario and for an epic recovery. Finally breaking that lower high resistance trend line from this possible bump and run pattern. Okay, so double bottom locally, very interested in that scenario. If we are going to get that breakdown, we do not form a double bottom, okay, because we do need to see that level swept and acceptance back above to trigger the long with good risk management. If we fall down very aggressively, I am looking at that point of control of this consolidation, the highest volume node, where we do have in confluence the 7/8 Fibonacci from this pivot low to the pivot high. That is a zone that I'm interested. Sweep up these lows with that point of control in the 7/8 and could turn into an epic swing failure pattern. And I'm looking for an instant bounce, at least to claim the value area high of this trading zone for a take profit level. Guys, that is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will be doing a live stream later on. Check out Bybit's tutorial to learn how to trade on that platform. And I will see you in the next one.